I'm Mike with Lehigh Defense, and today we're testing the 115 Control Chaos copper bullet and the 300 blackout. The reason we've designed this bullet is there are a lot of the SBRs and the pistol length. They need a good copper bullet that will expand and work, whether it's hunting at longer ranges or close range for personal defense. And so what we've done, we've set some targets up, some big gallon jugs filled with water, 400 yards. They're actually, I'll do a quick check with the range. 402 yards is where we're shooting from today, and so we're going to chamber around. We're going to send one down range. We got some pretty gusty wind today. See if we can hit that, and we'll recover one of these 115 Control Chaos copper bullets and see what it looks like. We're down here at the jugs at 400 yards where we did our test shot. So we got the 115 Control Chaos. We had a nice hit on the jug. We've got some pieces in here. We're going to cut this open, pull them out, and let's see what kind of expansion performance that we've got. We got a piece stuck in this second jug. When Lehigh Defense went to work building this new 115 bullet, we wanted out of copper so it could be fired in a lot of these new pistols for the 300 blackout. Also, we wanted a perfect bullet for the SBRs that would work because we realized a lot of people are hunting, making shots at longer ranges on game with the SBRs. So what we've got, the 115 worked perfect. We tested it, it was 402 yards. You know, that's a lot to expect out of a blackout. That's about 2,300 feet per second, a little less out of the SBRs. But we had, this bullet is designed to have 6 petals. So we had 2 petals hang on to a base. Gives you good penetration there. There's 2 other petals that it did not break the attachment. That's fine. Again, 402 yards, a lot further than most people push it. And then here are 2 petals. At close range, this is what you're looking at. You'll have all these 6 petals break off. You'll have this base that'll give you a little deeper penetration. We get 6 to 8 inches out of the petals, about 18 to 20, a little bit more out of just the base. Again, this is what we're looking for. It's a great hunting bullet if you need to fire or take a shot at longer range. If it's used in the home, personal defense, where you're worried about over penetration, this type of a bullet is the type of bullet that you need. When they maintain 100% of that weight, that's when you can get an over penetration. A lot of the times the human body is 8 to 10 inches. If you get a bullet that's a main bullet with 110, 125 grains that penetrates over 2 feet, 18 inches or more to up to 24 inches, what we've seen, then you get over penetration. That becomes a worry. This is a great personal defense bullet. It's a great hunting bullet. It's good in the pistols and it's great in the SBRs, whether it's a close range, personal defense, or longer range at extended ranges up to 400 yards as we tested it today. We also recommend the 115 grain Control Chaos copper for close range or personal protection. We've got a block sit down range at 25 yards. We're going to take a shot on that now and let's see what happens. All right, we're down range. We just shot the blocks with the 115 Control Chaos copper. We had absolutely great performance. Like I said, we've said this bullet can be used at closer range for personal defense or those hunting shots. Let's see what we've got. All right, we've got a rule here. One of the things that's important to notice is the bullet goes a full 2 inches in. We get a full 2 inches in of penetration before the expansion takes place, so that bullet is able to penetrate tough, deep tissue before it expands. You can see right here, I'll do this top petal here. We're getting about a minimum of 10 inches from the petals, which is great penetration. So these petals are fanning out, give us 10 inches of penetration. That's perfect, that's all you can expect. The base, the petals fracture off of the base. The base is just slightly past 18 inches with an average weight of about 30 grains. So it gives you deep penetration, a full 30 caliber wound channel. I don't know what else you can expect from a bullet like that. But if we just take a look at how wide this wound channel is, at its widest, it goes basically from the bottom of the block up to 5 inches. So it's a 6x6 block. So we're at the wound channel, as far as the maximum width, is over 5 inches wide. So it's 5 inches wide, the large part. We are basically 6 inches Where the petals are fracturing off at its widest 0.5, basically by 6, we get a little more than 18 inches out of the base. The petal's 10 inches. You know, that's the type of performance. That's the reason Lehigh Defense went to work and designed this bullet. Whether it needs to be used up close for personal defense work, we tested it also at 400 yards. 402 yards was our shot yesterday. Great performance, it still worked. If you guys got any comments, leave us a comment in the box below, or check us out on the web at LehighDefense.com. We'll be happy to answer any questions or to discuss further details of this bullet. Thank you.